Here are 5 ways to stop your Quest 2 and Facebook from spying on you. This feature is something that raised my attention. Voice commands is a neat setting where you can use your voice to tell your Quest what to do, the same way you tell your little cousin to slap himself. You can ask for the weather, you can open up an app, or do anything you'd really like. But the issue with a feature like this is that Meta has 24/7 access to your microphone and can possibly pick up on keywords that you say, which they store as data, and they use it for advertising. So they can target baby toys for somebody like you. Facebook is very known for stealing your data, and they use it to sell and make money, so that's exactly why you should turn that off. In order to turn the setting off, go to Settings, System, scroll down until you see Voice Commands, and then turn it off. This feature is super cool, but it comes with a secret that nobody told you about. Hand tracking is a feature where the Quest 2 uses the cameras in front of the Quest to track your hands under very good lighting, and overall it's an okay experience. But I found something that nobody knows about. It actually causes your Quest 2 to spy on you without you knowing, and it's actually crazy. So Meta actually just wants your data like every other company, whether you like it or not. They're gonna take it from you, and if you look at the settings for the hand tracking, you can see that it says they will store your hand positions inside the headset and potentially sent out to the company. That means they can see you putting up the finger you're not supposed to. So you better scurry off and turn off the setting. And in order to turn it off, you go to Settings, Privacy, Device Permissions, and then right there you will see the setting waiting for you to turn it off. One thing that Meta does on your Quest 2 is store information and send it to their headquarters. This means that Meta knows what you typed on your Quest 2. They even know that you searched up how to get good at Gorilla Tag, knowing that you suck. You'll never get better. I'm sorry. They also do this with your voice commands, and they store it onto the headset for whatever reason. If you click on voice activity, you can actually see everything you've said since you first got your Quest using voice commands. I've only really said about 3 things because the feature is terrible and I'm never using it. I just stuttered so bad. To delete your stored voice commands, go to Settings, Privacy, Data and Analytics, and then turn off the first 2 settings at the top. Then go to Voice Storage and delete everything, and I mean everything you have. Another way your Quest 2 is secretly spying on you is through apps. Some apps can actually track your location for whatever reason, and some apps have access to your microphone, which means they've heard all the bad things you've been saying, and maybe that's why you were on Santa's naughty list this year. Another thing games and apps have access to is your storage, which means photos, videos, or anything else you have installed and stored on your headset. I bet most of you didn't know this because you're not above the age of 2. But in order to turn off privacy settings, go to Settings, Privacy, Permissions, and then go to the location. Turn off the apps that have your location unless it's something that's absolutely crucial, like a weather app or something. Once you do that, go back and then click on microphone, and then turn off the apps that do not need your microphone. Some games might need it, like Rec Room, Gorilla Tag, and a really terrible game like VR Chat. And then finally, once you finish that, go back, click on storage, and turn off apps that have storage unless it's really crucial. But I doubt that there are apps in there that really need access to your storage. And here's a bonus setting that you can turn off that actually saves battery life. Space Sense is a cool feature where you can see the outside world while you play games. It has a purple outline of objects around you, like your chair, your pet cat that you're about to step on, and even your walls. However, it uses too much battery life and it's a horrible feature. And to turn this feature off, you can actually find it in this video of Quest 2 settings that you must turn off now.